Hello, welcome to VO's Journey. My name is Anthony. This show's about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Happy Monday. It's good to see all of you. Today I want to talk about paying attention to the details and why this is really important for you to be successful in voiceover. There are so many things that we have to tackle as voice actors, and I find that I'm going to go over a few of them here that I think just in general we are missing, which could be causing a huge hole in what in the work that you could be getting. Okay, so we're going to talk about that today. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button, and always check out VO Journey Academy. It's fantastic community. We've got amazing classes, coaches, resources. It's fantastic, and you should be there to help you grow your voiceover business. And we got some amazing deals going on right now to join, so it's really a great time to get with us. So check that out. The link below, VO Journey Academy. All right, so I was talking about paying attention to details, and the important part of that is I work with a lot of voice actors. I do mentoring as well on top of being a teacher at the academy. And one thing I notice from a lot of people that I've worked with over the years is that when we are in the middle of this and we are doing our full-time jobs, we have our families, we're exhausted, we're tired, we're trying to put all this together. There are so many pieces that we can often, in order to get things done, right, we can often go faster and overlook some things that we really should be doing in order to get work. And I'm going to focus today on something very simple to think about, but I find that it's actually missed a lot. And that is on websites, right? The websites that we join, whether they're freelance websites, intermediary websites, or pay-to-play websites, we do not, or I notice a lot of people do not, fill out their profile fully. All right? I know you know what I'm talking about. When I mean fully, I mean filling everything out. Putting as many words in the description as they let you put, filling out all of FAQs or any quick answers to questions that they have, making sure that all of the extras are available, that you put them down, but making sure that all your tags are done. Right? There's a lot of pay-to-play sites where you could put as many samples as you can on there, making sure you have as many samples up as they allow you to put up, making sure you are targeting keywords, that you've gone through the website, you've looked, and you're picking the right keywords. There's so many, these things in all of these websites, again, whether it's freelance, intermediary, or pay to play, okay, from sites like ACX to Fiverr to Upwork, to Voquins, which is more of an intermediary, same with Voice Jungle, to places like what was it, Bodalgo. Then we go up to the Voice Realm, then Voices 123, Voices.com, all these places. The point is that the opportunity here, I see a lot of people missing on these websites because they are not fully putting everything in their profiles. Okay, they're not getting up, for example, if the website allows you to put up your portfolio, put up a portfolio. All right, and the website, tells you to fill out this, fill out that, fill everything out. Do not skip over filling stuff out just so that you can get it live, and then just so that nothing happened. Because I see a lot of people where they get stuff up, but I go and I look at their stuff, we review it, and I'm like, this is why no one's coming to your site. Or, for example, the website themselves are not promoting you because you didn't put everything up. It's very important to do that. Another thing is your headshot. Do not overlook your picture. Okay, this is so important. Your picture is vital, another vital part of your success. Make sure, one, it's real. The sketchings are cute, but because of AI today, we don't know if that means you're an AI or you're a real person. You need to have a real picture of yourself. I'm not telling you to go out and work with a photographer. I mean, that's the best thing to do. But we also have amazing cameras on our phones. Okay. But whatever you do, though, when you do that, make sure there's a good lighting and there's a nice background. Okay. Don't take just like a shot and any old shot. Make sure you have a very nice background. There's good lighting. You look good. You're dressed up. You've done yourself up night. Make sure it's nice. Okay, and you can use your phone. That's fine. I'm just saying that we need a good headshot. Okay, a really good picture. Now, I said earlier portfolio. If you're just starting or you've been around, you might not have a portfolio, meaning like you might not have a bunch of voiceovers that you've done that have been attached to videos or things like that. So, part of your job is to begin to create this. So remember, in the beginning, I think the beginning is totally the hardest part of the whole journey because you are creating everything from nothing. You don't have anything yet. So it takes a while. So that's another thing is don't beat yourself up. So that's another thing that I find people get so angry with themselves or so frustrated that they just stop doing anything. Don't do that. Okay? Keep going. But we need to start building these things slowly and you need to learn. So you need to be somewhere that can help you with these things too, so that you know how to do that stuff. Also, demos. We need more than one demo. And that's why I'm always a big advocate for work with professionals to get your demo. Absolutely. But you can't, I mean, it's too many. We need too many demos that we can't afford to buy 30 demos from someone. I mean, we don't have that money. I don't have that much money. So, I mean, that's a lot, that's ridiculous. So we have to learn how to make them ourselves as well. Okay. So again, you need to be a place where you can learn how to do that. Okay. Whether it's VO Journey Academy or somewhere else, you need to be somewhere that can help you with this and a community that can help you with those resources. Okay. So these things are the basis for what you need to be doing to make sure and I'm just talking about websites right now that you can actually get work. I see so many people not getting work because they've not done this simple thing, and that's fill out everything. Okay, if you don't have an answer, like I don't know what to do, you need to find it and fill it out. Okay, a great way again to find these things is to be in a community or a place where everybody works together. They know, and you can ask, and people can help you. All right, this is the perfect reason why I recommend VO Journey Academy. But you've got to find a way to get all this stuff done because it could be a huge reason why you're not getting work because you just haven't filled out everything. And I wouldn't, you would think that it's not that big of a deal, but it's a massive deal. And I see it with so many people. You'd be actually really surprised. A good number of people just, and I think it's because they're trying to move forward the best they can. They might not have the answers, so they're doing everything possible, and they're just not getting it done. So we've got to get that done in order for you to get work. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And again, check out the link below to VO Journey Academy. All right, guys, have a wonderful Monday. Talk to you later. Bye, everybody.